another ROM review. Finally, we have another update for AlphaDroid OS, and previous build has some problem and I didn't recommend you guys to install and use, but this one is very perfect one. So, and I was just loving this custom ROM due to the custom launcher and the launcher speed and the opening and closing application animation. That was really great, and still we have that thing. Let me show you the opening and closing faster animation, which personally I really like it. And RAM management and other things are really fine. Okay, first of all, let me show you the Google camera is working or not. Of course, this Google camera is very fine, and I already uploaded the video AGC 8.8, the last version, which is version 6.0, and we have AGC toolkit, just like some presets, very vast presets. We have in one click you guys can change. We don't need to edit through Lightroom or other things. We have that great things in that Gcam. Okay, and this is the AGC toolkit, and you guys will get the video. If you miss, definitely you can check that out. Okay, so these all are presets. I don't want to waste time right now by showing this. Okay, now let me show you from setting, and this is the alphabet. There will be goodies. That means we have the customization hub inside that alphabet. Okay, and we have the user interface customization inside that user interface. We have ambient display, charging animation, full screen apps, screen off animation, and monet support, custom monet, whatever you guys can change from that particular section. Then we have the brightness bar style. Okay, I'm using as a blocky thumb. Let me show you the this one. This is the brightness control hub or whatever, the line. You guys can change it. We have huge collection there. We have huge collection. Which one you like, you can try. And then we have the QS panel style. Okay, I'm using the Cyberpunk. You guys can see the QS panel style. Yeah, definitely which one you like, you can prefer according to your choice. We have huge collection, but this custom ROM actually provide that kind of feature. Other custom ROMs never. I didn't find all these are not available. Okay, on that other custom ROM. So you guys will get only this kind of customizations in that particular custom ROM, which is AlphaDroid. Okay, and really thanks to builder for building this one. Okay, then we have the QS panel style. You guys can set UI style. UI style can be espresso and paint in the snow, vivid. It just like theme. Okay, you guys can use. Then we have other like font style, navigation bar style. We have font collection here. I'm using custom font right now. Icon pack, just like other things. Which is new, we have data icon style. You guys can change this thing, Plumpy and 4G. This is really incredible, and this is the new one, and I didn't get it on other custom ROM. And we have the VO Wi-Fi. You guys can check according to choice, and you guys can choose. And we have icon shapes. Okay, so we are done with the user interface. Now let's talk about the status bar. As usual, we have the traffic indicator and clock style, battery percentage, everything you guys will get here. And data disable icon. Of course, you guys can combine signal icons, or if you don't need, then turn that off, and it will restart the system UI. Okay, so then this is the lock screen clock style, which also can be changed. And fingerprint is fast and accurate, no issues with that. Wi-Fi standard icon, that means Wi-Fi 4 we have right now. Then we have logo position can be changed, and we have huge collection of logos. You guys can use which one you like. And battery style, battery percentage, actually huge customizations are available in that particular custom ROM, which is AlphaDroid, and I definitely recommend you guys. And we have definitely header image and other customizations. If you need, you can check that out. And this is that was a older system. Actually we had it in Android 10, 11 and 12 as well. Then we have the QS page transition. Okay, we have huge collection here. Okay, stack. Let me show you that what is QS page transition. When you change page, this is the page transition, QS page transition. I hope you guys understand that. and we have data users, clear notification icons, and animation interpolation, whatever. Then we have the quick settings. Okay, I already showed it. And then we have the lock screen. You guys can change lock screen font style, and which I'm already using, and I already showed you guys. And then we have the double line clock size, can be increased and decreased with DP. And we have battery info, double tap to sleep, fingerprint, and ripple effect. Everything is fine. Then we have the navigation, system navigation bar, of course back long press and double tap. Actually we can set actions through back long press, back double tap, and home long press, home double tap, recent long press. Everything you guys can set according to your choice. Then we have sound and miscellaneous. Okay, let me show you that sound section. What we have here, we have screenshot sound, that's it, and pulse adaptive playback, that's it. Then we have the miscellaneous. Of course we have the game space, the latest one from the custom ROM, USB based, and unlock higher FPS in games, unlimited Google photo storage. Everything is fine, and which is very important thing, parallel space. And nowadays it's very standard right now to have parallel space in custom ROM. Okay, you guys can make any dual application by using that parallel space. Okay, then we have pocket detection, weather setting, done. I don't want to waste your time by showing other things, so you guys can check it out. And the total user interface is a bit different. Of course you guys can change that setting UI as well. Okay, let me show you the about section, what we have here. And we are getting Android version 13 here, and latest security patch. Then we have AlphaDroid version 1.8 and build number, and of course kernel Lineage OS Plus, the latest and fixed version. And really thanks to builder for building this one. Okay, I don't want to show anything there right now. I want to check other things like, okay, safety net passed by default, so banking application can be used any kind of, no problem with that. And if you want to root device, definitely you can do. And we have that performance, that means CPU is throttled to 87%, which is really good. And another thing I want to show, which is Geekbench score, and Google Maps and everything is fine, no problem with that. I already checked, and that's why I don't want to make video longer for that. Okay, we have 2601083, which is a very decent number, so you guys can play games, no issues with that as well. And this is a vanilla build. Definitely you need to install GApp separately, and I recommend to use NickGap score. And I already showed everything what I got, and now let me show you here. Everything is fine, and no problem with nightlight, extra dim, and SIM card. Everything is fine, working, no problem. Okay, let me show you other thing, like we have the AlphaDroid home launcher, which is here we have icon pack. Definitely you guys can change the icon packs, no problem. And icon size, font size, and max lines for app level can be changed, and home rating. Okay, I missed one thing, which is security section. What we have there, we have hot seat background, right? Here we have the hot seat background. Okay, and then we have the app drawer, recents, memory info, miscellaneous. Of course you guys will get the hidden and protected application. You guys can hide application. Okay, let me you the last but not least. Okay, here we have the security option. We have face unlock, fingerprint, and app lock. Definitely, so everything is included in that custom ROM. Definitely you guys can go with that custom ROM if you want to change your custom ROM right now. So thank you for watching.